suluhishwe kwa haraka sana.
Dhoot mar Oganda mar Ilchamus ma en oganda e kaonti ma Baringo keto tenge pogruok manie kindgi kendo chako bedo achiel kaka yor kedo kod midhiero mokwakogi kaka rochruok mag arita kwe. Olamo momore kod lokruok chal ma kor lwasi. Bende giwalo jawach logi ma en Edwin Lekeriap mabiro dhiro dwachgi ma ikoni magi osejwang' kendo osebegi weche mag dongruok mowuok e piny owacho. Ne gilose gweng' ma Meisori, Baringo South, kama ikoni kwe ma koro biro reso gendni modak kono kendo jiwo dongruok.
Na mmesema kwamba mnataka maendeleo, mnataka kuona watoto wenu wakisoma, mnataka kuona kwamba mna usalama, mnataka kuona afya ya watu wenu, mnataka kuona mambo ya ukulima, mnataka kuona kwamba watoto wenu wameandikwa kazi. Na njia ya kufanya hii ni kukuwako na uhusiano na kila mtu na kila kiongozi na kila laini na kila sehemu na kila serikali.
Mimi nikimwona engineer, upole wako unatosha community. Hiyo nafasi haihitaji mtu wa kelele, haihitaji mtu wa hasira, inahitaji mtu mpole, mkarimu kama wewe. Tunakuambia na kanisa pia wakushike mkono, kwa sababu maombi yatakufanya uweze hiyo kazi.
Community is part of the Maa community and they have been suffering for a long time. So this is a great day. We are all happy, but I know at the end of the day, the community will come together. We will bring all of them together so that they can continue fighting for the right of their land, right of their constituency, right of being marginalized, and fight for the right of the community.
What they want is a spokesperson that will help them with their issues, development issues, economic issues, cultural issues, and bring it to the attention of the relevant authorities so that they can be solved together with our political problems.